Kitchen suppression systems can help put out small cooking fires or prevent damage to other parts of the building. Do you have a kitchen suppression system in your facility? If so, have you noticed any of the following? Is there any sign of physical damage or grease buildup on the nozzles, piping, or detection line? Are caps placed over the nozzles, and are those nozzles located over the cooking appliances? Has cooking equipment been moved since the last inspection? Is the suppression system tied to a working fire alarm at your facility to alert employees and first responders if the system is triggered? Is there documentation of your regular required services? Remember that required fire protection services and associated frequencies may vary by market. Always check with your local authority having jurisdiction to determine the inspection, service, and other requirements for your facility. Paying more attention to your equipment can help make you more prepared when you need it. To learn how Cintas can help with convenient, reliable fire protection services, visit cintas.com/fire.